Okay, long time no see, guys. Here we are back again. You know how I love my TikTok. So this is going to be another recipe that I got from TikTok. Let's see. Spaghetti Alfredo. Okay, so the ground beef is browning. We're going to add the spaghetti sauce to it. We've got the noodles boiling over here. We're going to drain them off and then stay tuned for what's next. Okay, according to the full recipe, we're supposed to put 8 tablespoons of flour and a whole stick of butter in the pan because we're going to make a roux. After the roux comes together and it's blonde because we don't want it to brown, then we're supposed to add a whole 8 ounces of heavy whipping cream, followed by 8 ounces of Parmesan cheese. Now I'm only making half the recipe, so we're going to use 4 ounces of Parmesan cheese, 4 ounces of heavy cream. We're going to use the 4 tablespoons of butter and the 4 tablespoons of flour. We're supposed to use the good stuff. This is what I'm going to use for the good stuff for pasta, and this is the sauce that they recommend. So after the roux is done, I'll show you what's next. Hold on. Oh, this spaghetti sauce is bomb. It really does pay to get the good stuff. It really does. Look at the chunks of tomato and onion and garlic in there. It tastes amazing. Okay, here's a little trick for you. Slow, 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 that I don't make you dizzy. When you have leftover sauce and you don't like that top to get all icky and brown and sticky, rinse off your top and then cover the top of your jar with plastic wrap before you screw the top on. It doesn't get all gross and nasty, and your leftover sauce will last a little bit longer. Just a little tip for you. Okay, our roux, I added the cream to it, and you see that it's gotten thick. Of course, when I do anything, I make it my own. So I added a little garlic powder and some black pepper. And now I'm going to add the cheese to it and let it melt, and then we're on to the next step. Okay, guys, the pasta is ready with the sauce in there. So the next step is to add the spaghetti to the bottom of your dish and then top it with the spaghetti sauce. Put it in the oven on 350, cover it for about 20 minutes, and then uncover it for 10 minutes because you're actually going to sprinkle your choice of cheese, grated cheese on top. I am going to use a combination of Jack and mild cheddar. If you don't like that, you select whatever it is that you want. I'll come back when it's out of the oven and show you what it looks like. See you soon.